Hey, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle, and today I want to show you our new Harris 230 Cruiser. This here is a Heritage Edition. Come on over and we'll check it out. All right, welcome to the interior of our Harris Cruiser 230. This is one of the Heritage Editions. Has USB ports at the cup holder stations, storage under the seats, floor storage, which is ginormous, huge floor storage space. Power Bimini on this model. And then come right in here. This here is a SLDH layout. So this has the dual helm with the SL lounge. So the SL part of the SLDH layout is this single lounge that has a swing seat. So you can sit facing forward, you can sit facing backwards, and you can pop it all the way down and lounge out, take a nap if you like. Bring that back up. Got storage underneath, front and rear. Your battery compartment is on that side, and in the back corner over here, you've got a built-in cooler that drains overboard. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower. We've got the tow bar there, stainless tow bar, and a Lillipad ladder on the back. Step this way and I'll show you the helm. You got your Mercury gauges, you got a wireless charging for your phone, and a Wetsounds stereo on this model. So come on over here to MarineMax in Dallas and come ask for me, Lyle, and I'll be glad to show you this boat.